Stop teaching the alphabet the old way. If you want your child to read English 10 times faster, you need to connect letters with these exact Hindi sounds. Let's start the challenge. Every word starts with a letter, and every letter makes a sound. Look closely at our cards today. We have the picture, the word, and the hidden Hindi sound all in one place. A for astronaut. A says A. B for balloon. B says B. C for cat. C says K. D for dinosaur. D says D. E for elephant. E says A. F for fire truck. F says F. G for gorilla. G says G. H for helicopter. H says H. I for igloo. I says E. J for jellyfish. J says J. K for kangaroo. K says K. L for lion. L says L. M for monster. M says M. N for ninja. N says N. O for octopus. O says O. P for penguin. P says P. Q for queen. Q says Q. R for robot. R says R. S for sun. S says Sir. T for tiger. T says T. U for unicorn. U says U. V for volcano. V says W. W for whale. W says W. X for X-ray. X says S. Y for yo-yo. Y says Y. Z for zebra. Z says Z. You have mastered all 26 sounds. Watch this video daily with your child to build instant reading confidence. Hit that subscribe button right now to join our Phonics to Fluent family, and let's unlock fluent reading together.